So good morning everyone. So in today's class I'll be teaching you about degrees of comparison. So in English we have something called degrees of comparison and you will be getting this for 2 marks. Okay. So degrees of comparison means what? What do you mean by degrees of comparison? Anyone knows what is the meaning of comparison?
Comparing. Comparing.
Comparing. Okay, you are comparing. You are comparing something with something. Okay. So in degrees comparison, you will compare the adjectives. You know what are adjectives?
Action words. Action words.
What is an adjective?
Action word.
Adjective is an action word. Then what is a verb? What is an adjective?
Adjective.
What is noun?
Name of a place.
Name of a person?
Place and thing.
It's a naming word, right? So adjective means it qualifies noun. What is an adjective?
Qualifies noun.
Qualifies noun. For example, Ram is
Tall boy.
tall. Ram is tall. Boy in the class. Okay, here which is the subject here? Subject is Ram, that is noun. So here which is adjective?
Tall.
Tall is an adjective. Why? It is
Qualifying the noun.
Ram. It is telling how the Ram is. He is very tall. He is short. He is thin. Understood? Adjective means it qualifies the noun. Understood?
Yes, sir.
So here, in degrees of comparison, you will compare the adjectives. What you will compare? Adjectives. Okay. For example, you have something that is, we'll take tall. So in degrees of comparison, we have, I'll teach you after that. We have positive, so comparative and superlative. So positive is tall. Comparative, when you compare tall in comparative degree, what it will be?
Taller.
Taller. You will add
Tall. ER.
er to the adjective. It will become
Taller.
taller. And in superlative, you will add
Is tallest.
EST. That is, it becomes tallest. Okay. Understood? Understood?
Yes.
These are simple basic rules. Okay. So in degrees of comparison, we have 3 types. How many types?
3 types.
Anyone knows which are they? First one is
Positive.
positive. Second one is
Comparative.
and the third one is
Superlative.
superlative. Okay. What is positive degree? Anyone know what is positive degree? What is positive degree? So in positive degree, there is no comparison made. It is a simple quality. Okay, here they don't do any what? Comparison. In comparative degree, there you compare between 2 things. What? Here, no comparison. There is no comparison. Here, comparison between 2 things. Here, comparison between 2 or more. 2 or more things. Understood?
Yes, sir.
ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಡಿಗ್ರಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವುದೇ ರೀತಿ ಕಂಪ್ಯಾರಿಸನ್ ಅನ್ನ ಮಾಡೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಕಂಪ್ಯಾರಿಟಿವ್ ಡಿಗ್ರಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಕಂಪ್ಯಾರಿಸನ್ ಬಿಟ್ವೀನ್ 2 ಥಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 2 ಥಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಕಂಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸೂಪರ್ಲೇಟಿವ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕಂಪ್ಯಾರಿಸನ್ ಬಿಟ್ವೀನ್ 2 or more things. 2 ಮತ್ತೆ ಅದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಹೆಚ್ಚು ಥಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ಜೊತೆ ಕಂಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡೋದು. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆಯಾ? Understood?
Yes, sir.
Now we'll move on to the examples of degrees of comparison. You will get examples of adjectives. I'll give some 5 examples. Okay. So Now you know what is positive, comparative, and superlative.
Superlative.
I'll give one adjective. You have to give answer for comparative and superlative. The first one is clever. I told for comparative you have to add er. For superlative, est. So now here the adjective we have clever. So what will be the comparative? What? Clever. Cleverer. Superlative?
Cleverest.
Cleverest. Next, second one. Big,
Bigger.
bigger, and
Biggest.
biggest. Yeah. So now here we have normal adjectives. Okay. So you are adding er and est. There are some adjectives when it is regarding to the qualities. So in that time you cannot add er and est. Can you give any examples? Any examples where you don't add er and est, but it is an adjective?
Beautiful.
Yeah, beautiful. Beautiful. Here, can you write beautifuler?
No.
Beautifulest? No. You add more
More
beautiful.
beautiful. Most beautiful.
And here,
Most beautiful.
most
Beautiful.
most beautiful. Now you have an idea, okay? How does the degrees of comparison goes, right? So now we'll solve some exercise sentences, okay, where you have to give other two degrees of comparison. In your exam, they'll ask like this: they'll give one sentence and they'll ask you to give the other two degrees of comparison. And there is a formula for changing the other degrees of comparison. Okay, so here you have something called situation 1 and situation 2, where you will change the sentence according to that situations. I'll give you that situations, you can write it down.
Ay, ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ.
So in situation 1 and situation 2, so for positive, comparative and superlative.
Superlative.
In for positive you will have no other. In comparative, most other.
More.
No other. Yeah, most other. Superlative is the. Okay. Situation 2. Positive begins from very few. Any other and one of the. Write down. Finished? So now I'll give one sentence, okay? You have to say which degree of comparison is that, okay?
Compare.
Comparative.
Here Tom is taller than any other boy in the class. So which degree of comparison is this?
Comparative.
Why comparative? Which is adjective here? Other is the
Adjective.
So here since we are adding er to the adjective, it is comparative
Comparative.
degree. Understood? This is comparative. If it is comparative, we have to give other two degrees of comparison, which are those
Positive and
superlative. So here, which situation is this? Situation 1 or situation 2?
Situation 2.
Situation
2.
This I have given in the situation 2, but situation 1. Okay. Situation 1 is positive. How does the positive begins?
No other.
No other. Comparative. Any other. Make changes in that. Any other. And superlative is the. Okay. So in positive, I told here comparative degree. Here comparison is made. Tom with other boy with us. Okay. Situation 1 is always the singular. ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಸಿಚುವೇಶನ್ 1 ಯಾವತ್ತೂ ಕೂಡ ಸಿಂಗ್ಯುಲರ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಒಬ್ಬನ ಜೊತೆ ಕಂಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡೋದು. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಟಾಮ್ ಇಸ್ taller than any other boy. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಿದೆ? ಬಾಯ್ ಇದೆ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬಾಯ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಬಂದಿಲ್ಲ. ಎನಿ ಅದರ್ ಬಾಯ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಬೇರೆ ಹುಡುಗನ ಒಬ್ಬ ಹುಡುಗನ ಜೊತೆ ಕಂಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ?
Yes, sir.
ಸೊ ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕಂಪ್ಯಾರಿಸನ್ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಯು ಸೇ ದ ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್?
Tom is tall. No other boy in the class.
You have to begin with this word.
No other boy
No other
boy is tall as Tom.
is as tall as
is
tall as
Tom. Where did this go?
It is in situation 1.
No other boy in the class
Is tall as
is as tall as Tom. And write it again. No other boy in the class is as tall as whom?
Tom.
Tom. Okay. Whenever you write the noun, the naming word, wherever in the sentence in between or end of the sentence, that first letter should be
Capital.
Okay. So now superlative. In superlative, you say what? Even there is no comparison. You will say he is the only person taller in the class. Okay. So how do you write this? First subject comes first.
Tom is the tallest boy in the class.
Is the
Tallest boy in the class.
tallest
Boy in the class.
boy in the
Class.
Understood?
Yes, sir.
So here you use is the and you will add est to the adjective. Understood?
Yes, sir.
I'll give one more sentence. Situation 2 will be positive. Very few. Most other.
One of the.
One of
The.
Okay. Wolf is one of the most ferocious animals. Okay. So now here, which degree of comparison? Comparative. Comparative.
Superlative.
Superlative.
Most
Here, which is the adjective here?
Wolf.
Hey, wolf is noun.
Wolf is a
Ferocious.
yeah. Ferocious is a
Adjective.
Okay. So when since it is an adjective, here we cannot add er or est to that.
Yes.
So there is a most given here. Okay. So this is which degree of comparison?
Superlative.
Why superlative?
Because there is a most.
Because one of the we have here and one more than
Most.
ferocious. So this is
Superlative.
So we have to give positive and
Comparative.
so what will be the positive? Positive. How do you start with positive? This is situation 2.
Very few animals. Very few animals.
Situation 1 is singular. Situation 2 is plural. Whenever you speak
No
of
other
subject, it should be plural. Okay. Very few
Animals.
Are few says.
Animals
animals.
are few.
Someone said is. Someone said is. Do we use is there?
No.
Why? Because these are animals. This is a plural. So there is something called B forms. You know B forms? There are B forms are there. Am, is, are, was, were. So there are B forms. Okay. These B forms we use based on the tenses and whether it is a singular or plural. Okay. Very few animals. What do you use?
Are
Very
Ferocious.
few animals are.
ferocious.
In positive you use as. Very few animals are.
As ferocious as
Ferocious
as
Wolf.
wolf. Okay. Next, comparative. You have here most other. Okay. So how do you write? First subject you will write here.
wolf.
Wolf
Wolf is most
is
Wolf is most ferocious animal than more ferocious.
most means here it is a superlative.
Superlative.
For comparative.
More ferocious than the other. More ferocious than
Ferocious
than
than
other animals.
most other
Animals.
animals. Understood with this?
Yes, sir.
Understood? So if you want to solve this and if you want to get 2 marks, be thorough with this formulas, okay? Situation 1 and situation 2. In situation 1, positive will be having no other, comparative any other, superlative
Is the situation 2 positive very few, comparative most other, superlative.
Understood with this?
Yes, sir.
First, you see in your exams, okay? This will be given in the 4th main, okay? For 2 marks, grammar, okay? So first thing you have to do is take a pencil and mark the adjective. First ಇದನ್ನ ಇಲ್ಲಿ adjective ಯಾವುದು ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಅರ್ಥ ಪೆನ್ಸಿಲ್ ತಗೊಂಡು adjective ಯಾವುದು ಇಲ್ಲಿ most ferocious ಇದು adjective ಅಂತ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಅದಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಇದು ಯಾವ ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಆಫ್ ಕಂಪ್ಯಾರಿಸನ್ ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನ ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಯಬೇಕು. ಯಾವ ಡಿಗ್ರಿ? ಎಸ್ಎ ಬರ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ಸೂಪರ್ ಎಸ್ ಅಂತ ಸೂಪರ್ಲೇಟಿವ್ ಬರ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ಆ ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಇದು ಯಾವ ಸಿಚುವೇಶನ್ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಯಬೇಕು. ಯಾವ ಸಿಚುವೇಶನ್? ಕೀವರ್ಡ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ನೋ ಅದರ್ ಎನಿ ಅದರ್ ಈಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಸಿಚುವೇಶನ್ 1.
Very
ವೆರಿ ಫ್ಯೂ ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ ಅದರ್ ಒನ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಅದರ್ ಸೆಂಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅದು
situation 2.
ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಒನ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಅಂತ ಇದೆ. ಒನ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಅದು ಯಾವ ಸಿಚುವೇಶನ್ ಅದು?
Situation 2.
ಸಿಚುವೇಶನ್ 2 ಅಂತ ಗೊತ್ತಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ ನಾವು ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸಿಚುವೇಶನ್ 2 ಅಂತ ಬರ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಇದು ಸೂಪರ್ಲೇಟಿವ್ ಆಗಿದ್ರೆ ಸಿಚುವೇಶನ್ 2 ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ಕಂಪ್ಯಾರಿಟಿವ್ ಕೊಡಬೇಕು ನಾವು. ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್. So you have to begin with this 2 sentences. Positive ನೀವು ಸಿಚುವೇಶನ್ 1 ಆಗಿರಲಿ 2 ಆಗಿರಲಿ ಇದರಿಂದನೇ ಸೆಂಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಇದು ಸಿಚುವೇಶನ್ 2 ಆಗಿರೋದ್ರಿಂದ very few. Very
Few.
few. Okay, very few animals.
Ferocious.
Animals are
ferocious as wolf,
ferocious
as wolf,
wolf. Okay, so ಇಲ್ಲಿ adjective ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ as ಮತ್ತೆ as ಸೆಂಟ್ರಲ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಿಲ್ವಾ? ಇದು ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್. ಕಂಪ್ಯಾರಿಟಿವ್ ಹೇಗೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ? ಸಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಯಾವ ಸಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್?
wolf,
ಓಕೆ, wolf is ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಆರ್ ತಗೊಂಡ್ವಿ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಅನಿಮಲ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ wolf is ಅಂತ ಇದೆ. ಯಾಕೆ?
Subject singular.
ಯಾವ ಸಿಂಗ್ಯುಲರ್?
Wolves.
ಇಲ್ಲಿ wolves ಅಂತ ಇದ್ರೆ
Wolves are.
wolves are ಅಂತ ಬರ್ತಿತ್ತು. ಇಲ್ಲಿ wolf ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಇಲ್ಲಿ is ಬರ್ತೀವಿ, ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಸಿಂಗ್ಯುಲರ್. ಓಕೆ, wolf is most ferocious. Comparatively more
ferocious
ferocious
than the most animals, than most other animals.
most other animals. Understood?